So you've got a glass full of rusty iron-loaded water, your toilets are a beautiful red hue, and your sinks are stained with rust from your well water. Your next move is to dump chlorine in it, right? No. We know a lot of so-called water guys tell you this is solution, but that's not fixing your water. That's just mixing chemicals with minerals and hoping for a miracle. Hey, I'm Brandon from Water Filters of America, and unfortunately, this isn't that uncommon. Every week, we hear from homeowners like you trying to treat iron in their well water with chlorine, potassium permanganate, or other chemical systems. And while they technically work, there's a price. Chemical-based systems require constant refilling, regular maintenance, and long-term costs. Potassium permanganate is toxic and stains everything purple if you spill it, and chlorine? You already know how harsh that can be on skin, hair, plumbing, and appliances. On top of that, most people don't realize there are different types of iron in well water. There's ferrous iron, which is clear until it oxidizes and stains your sinks and toilets. Ferric iron, which shows up right away as red or orange water. And bacterial iron, which creates slimy, rust-colored sludge that clogs filters fast. If you don't treat the right type of iron with the right system, you're going to waste time and money and still end up with stains, smells, and filter problems. That's why we recommend the Terminox ISM. It's a chemical-free, salt-free system that removes iron, sulfur, and manganese without adding anything to your water. No chlorine, no potassium permanganate, no salt brine. It's almost maintenance-free, it's American-made, and it comes with a full 10-year warranty. And here's the best part. We'll test your water for free. Just send us a sample and our team will analyze it, so you know exactly what kind of iron you're dealing with. No guessing, no pressure, no sales games, because we don't have high-pressure salespeople on commission. We don't push overpriced filters, we just help you get clean water and get on with your life. So, if your current treatment plan includes bleach, call us instead at 1-800-684-0979 or go to waterfiltersofamerica.com to get your free water analysis and learn more about the Terminox ISM. Let's fix your water once and for all.